Good evening everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tonight we are looking at Navitas Semiconductor stock, and this one on Friday was down by 11.26%, and over the course of tonight's video we're going to be speaking about this. I'll be giving you all of my thoughts and opinions. If you do enjoy, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, but as always do remember I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Make sure you're doing your own research and coming to your own conclusions. Now first things first, we are seeing this one moving down quite a bit on Friday's trading. This is significant because we are dropping below a few levels of key support that we were looking to hold. Numbers such as 760 are now breaking. The level that we appear to be holding at the moment is a little bit lower, around 720. The question is, do we see this hold into the week ahead? If we don't, it could be 710. If you do not see that, it could be $7 of course on the dot. And then down to the 690s or even 685. Levels below that could take us also down to the 618, 615 range. And if you can see a break above this to the upside, I'm looking at $8, I am looking at 805, and then I'm looking up to higher levels, numbers such as 850, numbers such as 875 and 880. Break above that is 915 and also up to 925 from there. Higher numbers take us up to 980. All in all guys, the RSI here is now in the oversold range. The question is, do we see this hold? Are we going to be able to actually, begin to see a recovery from here? Or do we see this one continue to push down to those levels just below? The small increase in price that we have had from the lows on Friday into the late part of the day is somewhat promising, but it is absolutely premature in my opinion to question whether this one is in the process of recovering. It's a stock that I'm going to be watching very closely in the week ahead. I think really we need to find upside potential sooner rather than later, and this is where my focus ultimately lies.